Greetings, Tech Vibe followers. Get ready as we dive into the cutting-edge technology behind heavy equipment. Let's jump right in. Clean railway tracks in winter are crucial for maintaining a functional infrastructure, a belief firmly held by Bailhack. This is why they developed the HB1100S, a high-performance rotary snowplow capable of handling up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour. This powerful machine allows for rapid snow removal, ensuring tracks are cleared efficiently. Its high transportation speeds make it suitable for a wide range of applications. Even in the most challenging conditions, the HB1100S can clear tracks in a single pass, quickly restoring traffic and keeping the infrastructure running smoothly. The Tesmec 1475 XL Evo chainsaw trencher is a state-of-the-art machine engineered for efficient and precise trenching operations. It features a high-performance chainsaw attachment designed specifically for trenching, with a large, high-speed cutting chain that can slice through various types of soil, rocks, and other materials. This chainsaw system enables precise and controlled cutting depths, ensuring accurate trench dimensions and minimizing the need for additional excavation. The bucket wheel excavator for coal mining is a true marvel of modern engineering. This colossal machine captivates with its sheer size and the elegance of its operation. The massive wheel, equipped with numerous buckets, smoothly slices into the coal seam, effortlessly lifting tons of material with each rotation. Watching this engineering wonder in action is a breathtaking experience, showcasing the immense power and sophistication of cutting-edge machinery. The bucket wheel excavator transforms the act of coal mining into an extraordinary spectacle, leaving observers in awe of what modern technology can achieve. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with a cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during the repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. It is built on a Volvo car chassis equipped with a railroad track and bogies that enable movement on the rails through the friction of car wheels on tracks with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping action, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment, making it a comprehensive solution for on-site rail welding tasks. When Heron and Beppe Construction collaborated, they unleashed the power of the Liebherr R9250 Super Long Reach Excavator. This massive machine with an extraordinary reach and durability is built for extreme tasks that most equipment can't handle. Its extended boom allows it to access areas unreachable by standard excavators, making it perfect for complex construction projects. Reinforced for strength and precision, the Liebherr R9250 performs heavy-duty work into a finely tuned performance, pushing the boundaries of modern construction technology. The future has arrived with the revolutionary hydrogen-powered electric models Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion, transforming snowmobiling technology. The Lightwolf H2 Motion concept vehicle is the world's first snowmobile, equipped with an electric motor powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, boasting an impressive 544 horsepower or 400 kilowatts and emitting no carbon dioxide. The Liebherr T282C Ultra Class trucks offered by the National Group represent a new era of mining haulage vehicles, pushing the boundaries of size, capacity, and technological innovation. With a payload capacity of up to 363 metric tons, these trucks can efficiently move substantial amounts of material in a single haul. This exceptional capacity significantly reduces the number of trips required, maximizing productivity and minimizing fuel consumption, ultimately resulting in cost savings. Their cutting-edge features and immense hauling capacity make them a standout choice for large-scale mining operations. The new generation of Cat D11 dozers represents a significant advancement in bulldozer technology, setting new benchmarks in power, efficiency, and operator comfort. Building on the legacy of the renowned Cat D11 series, these dozers incorporate cutting-edge features and innovations for unmatched performance in the most demanding earth-moving and mining applications. The engines are designed to meet stringent emissions regulations while maximizing fuel efficiency, thus reducing operating costs and minimizing environmental impact. Built with high-quality materials and components, these machines are engineered to withstand the most challenging operating conditions. When it comes to keeping railway tracks in top condition, the Jordan spreader plays a vital role. Picture this powerful machine moving along the Withrow substation, efficiently clearing soil and leveling the tracks. The Jordan spreader expertly regrades ballast and soil, pushing them aside to enhance drainage and extend the life of the railway. Watching this rare operation feels like witnessing a specialized piece of railway equipment performing its crucial task, ensuring that the tracks remain in perfect working order. Just as artists use their brushes to craft masterpieces, Caterpillar D6T bulldozers showcase the art of earth moving by creating precise mud rolls. With each sweep of the D6T's blade, the ground is carefully shaped, similar to how a baker kneads dough. These machines aren't just powerful and efficient, they transform ordinary tasks into extraordinary performances. Whether on a construction site or in a field, the Caterpillar D6T turns practical work into something visually captivating, combining strength with refined precision. Vermeer's powerful T1255 Commander 3 trencher is engineered to tackle large-diameter pipe trenches in rocky terrain with ease. It features a robust 447-kilowatt Caterpillar engine, providing the necessary power for laying trunk pipelines. Key advantages of this trencher include its maximum digging efficiency in rocky soil, thanks to a low-speed, high-torque engine with a splined main shaft that reduces wear. Additionally, the T1255 Commander 3 boasts longer chain life due to its carbide-alloyed lower pads and optionally available upper boom rollers, enhancing its durability and performance in tough conditions. The bridge needs to be built, so it's time to take the cranes apart, right? Not so fast. A Chinese company has introduced an innovative solution for placing bridge girders. The SLJ series model developed by Beijing-based Wow Joint Machinery Company is a 580-ton, 300-foot-long, 24-foot-wide mega machine that resembles a train more than a crane. Unlike traditional stationary or crawler cranes that lift bridge girders off the ground, this machine drives the girder onto an already installed girder and slowly extends its arms to the next support platform. It pushes the girder to the front of the machine and then lowers it into place. It's a complex system, but the results are impressive. The Eckel telescope boom, developed by Eckel Hartstall GmbH, is specifically designed for embarkment work, trench clearing, and river and canal construction. After several modifications, the telescopic excavator now excels in handling deep construction excavations and underwater sites up to 82 feet deep. Designed for use with a 1.5 cubic yard grapple, the boom and telescope handle ensure optimal performance. Additionally, a special 4-ton counterweight at the rear provides enhanced stability when the telescoping arm is extended, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Driving at night is easier on the one hand because the traffic is lower, but on the other hand, it requires extra attention. The Sleipner DB120 Plus, combined with the powerful Epiroc Pit Viper 271 drill, forms a formidable duo that revolutionizes the efficiency and mobility of drilling operations in the mining and construction industries. The Sleipner DB120 Plus is a robust and versatile carrier designed for heavy machinery transportation. With its impressive load capacity and rugged construction, it effortlessly transports the Epiroc Pit Viper 271 drill to drilling sites, regardless of distance or terrain. This combination enhances operational efficiency, allowing for seamless relocation and improved productivity. Bodembo's latest promo film highlights the cutting-edge Cutter soil mix technology utilized in construction on the parkland in Veghel. The video showcases the use of advanced machinery and engineering expertise to create durable soil walls, crucial for the safety and longevity of future structures. This visual demonstration emphasizes the reliability of soil stabilization techniques, presenting them as key innovations in ensuring robust construction for future projects. The new Centurion tire trailer is designed to enhance safety, efficiency, and productivity in transporting heavy mobile equipment tires for the mining industry. It allows the largest tires to be moved as part of a triple combination trailer, which reduces the need for additional pilots and drivers, effectively doubling productivity. Each trailer includes an electronic stability control system and complies with stringent safety standards set by the National Heavy Vehicle Regulation. The Menzimuck M545 Spider excavator revolutionizes the way groundwork is approached. This machine isn't just built to dig, it's designed to handle challenging terrain with exceptional agility. With its ability to tilt and rotate each leg independently, the M454 provides unmatched stability on uneven and steep surfaces. Powered by a 157 horsepower engine and boasting a digging radius of 16.4 feet, it is perfectly suited for hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for construction and repair projects in tough conditions. The Equus works like a true forest surgeon, skillfully collecting fallen trees with its mounted grapple. Its 175 horsepower hydraulic system and 22,000-pound lifting capacity make it indispensable for quick loading. It navigates difficult conditions with ease, turning chaos into neatly stacked logs. The CIT 5719 Raupen transporter is a versatile and robust tracked vehicle known for its exceptional performance and reliability across various industries. Equipped with a reliable and efficient engine, it provides the necessary horsepower and torque for demanding tasks. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise and responsive operation, while the ergonomic operator cabin offers comfort and excellent visibility. The intuitive controls and user-friendly interface simplify operation, enabling operators to maximize productivity and efficiency. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a marvel of robotics, fully justifying its considerable cost by performing complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width make it suitable for tackling forest fires and highly hazardous industrial fires. On the other hand, the TAF-60 can deliver up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, making it especially advantageous for fighting large fires in chemical and refinery plants. With an overall height of less than 6.2 feet, the TAF-60 can easily access low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, introduces a new operational tactic. While the hotspot is cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. To reinforce the building, the rock under the facade had to be carefully and precisely milled using a 25-ton crawler excavator. Equipped with an EKT 100 drum milling machine. This equipment allowed for precise excavation of the rock beneath the building with minimal vibration, creating space for the necessary foundation. The excavator and milling machine combination then dug trenches for additional services. Thanks to the excavator's 3D slope control system, this process was executed with exceptional speed and accuracy. The Chemrock KSI is a SCOChem injection attachment designed for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. Developed in collaboration with a German specialized civil engineering company, the KSI injection attachment is fundamental to the SCOChem process. This process is a soil stabilization system that uses excavator attachments to inject and mix a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, or KSI. Once cured, this mixture forms a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. Significantly improving the soil's load-bearing capacity and stability. The Kaiser S8 Allroad is a truly unique walking excavator that sets a new standard in performance for mobile machines. robust maneuverability, and highly efficient. Its undercarriage, with maximum adjustability, ensures the high stability that defines all Kaiser mobile walking excavators. New to this weight category is the optional Rotoline system, enhancing its versatility. Based on the latest S12 generation technology, the S8 Allroad perfectly complements the Kaiser range, offering advanced features and unparalleled performance in its class. Transporting a massive load? Easy. Under a bridge? Even easier. With the axle line of a trailer from the Transport's Bloom Now, it looks like a heavyweight dance. Precise coordination, smooth maneuvers, and millimeter accuracy. The bridge is cleared, the load is intact, and spectators are thrilled. It seems there's no such thing as impossible for them. The Lugong 990F excavator is a robust and high-performing machine known for its productivity, reliability, and operator comfort. With an impressive digging force of 496 kN, it surpasses competitors in its class. Designed for extended uptime, it excels in the toughest job sites, thanks to its durable construction. The 995F features a sealed cab that protects against dust, noise, and dirt. Along with automatic climate control to ensure a comfortable environment for the operator, whether for cooling or heating. Caring for trees along railroads is crucial for safety, not just aesthetics. Overgrown trees can threaten moving trains and track integrity. Woodcracker machines, specifically the Model T4000 telescopic platform and Model CS510 gimbal grapple, are ideal for this task. These tools allow professionals to efficiently manage vegetation, removing any growth that could disrupt transport infrastructure. This ensures the safety and reliability of both rail and road traffic. The semi-manual log splitter gives the axe a well-deserved rest, letting you reign as the king of flawless firewood. Its 6.5 horsepower engine starts with ease, powering a 50-pound flywheel that drives the wedge with unstoppable force. Want logs of a specific size? Simply set the stop and enjoy precision cuts while the machine handles the hard work. The mobile biomass processing plant efficiently turns wood, roots, or shrub trimmings into valuable material. The process begins with loading the biomass into a powerful auger hopper, where large rotating hammers grind it to the desired fraction. The pulverized biomass then exits through a sieve, ready for composting or biogas production. This mobile recycler is an excellent solution for transforming organic waste into renewable energy resources or compost, making it ideal for sustainable waste management and energy generation projects. Camp C has successfully printed a real two-story residential house with an area of 90 square meters and a height of 8 meters, using Europe's largest concrete 3D printer. What makes this house particularly unique is that this is the first two-story 3D printed house, as other 3D printed houses worldwide typically have only one floor. This house was printed as part of the European C3PO project, supported financially by the European Regional Development Fund. The project partners aim to increase the construction industry's interest in using 3D printed concrete as a building technique. They believe such homes could significantly reduce material and energy consumption, CO2 emissions, and waste. Now we can only watch to see what developments come next. Introducing a new generation of trailer, designed specifically for movie production. This trailer is engineered to mimic vehicle movements naturally, making it invisible behind the towed vehicle. Developed in collaboration with Tridec, its hydraulic rear axle control provides exceptional adaptability and precise control, allowing for customizable driving behavior tailored to various shooting scenarios. Additionally, the trailer is user-friendly, offering quick adaptation to different vehicle types and minimizing vibrations during recording with a sophisticated damping system. This innovative trailer is set to revolutionize on-location film production. Croc Lift continues to amaze with its innovative machine design. Their amphibious trailers, equipped with tracks instead of traditional wheels, effortlessly maneuver on both land and water. Watching these machines dive into the water to retrieve a small vessel is truly impressive. These trailers represent not just advanced technology, but a masterpiece of engineering designed to solve unique challenges in extreme conditions. ChemRock continues to lead in excavator milling attachments, excelling in applications from demolition to tunnel construction. Their new cut and break tool offers a groundbreaking solution for quarries where traditional drilling and blasting are no longer viable. This tool uses a cutting wheel to create grooves and a special tool to separate rock from the face, enabling rock extraction with minimal noise and vibration. It's perfect for environmentally sensitive areas, enhancing both efficiency and sustainability in rock mining. On the N760 highway near Grafhorst, a truck carrying corn created a golden corn shower across both lanes. The culprit? A soft roadbed played a cruel trick on the tires. Rescuers from Staudamm stepped in, cables in place, the crane roars, and the cab is slowly lifted. Every movement is a precision task under tons of pressure. If you're aiming for the safest operation with minimal operating expenses, Movella translifters and cassettes are the perfect solution for cargo ports and general cargo terminals. Their main advantage lies in the safe and efficient handling of irregular-sized general cargo. By using this technology, you can ensure maximum transportation efficiency and safe container loading, potentially moving 25% more cargo in less time. This enhances productivity and safety at the port, making operations more streamlined and cost-effective. The ChemRock EX60 HD Planer is a powerful tool designed to transform your excavator into a precise milling machine. It's highly efficient in planing asphalt and concrete, with a 23.6-inch milling width, making it perfect for tasks like road resurfacing or stripping coatings from walls. Known for its precision, this planer leaves surfaces incredibly smooth, tackling heavy-duty tasks with ease. Whether you're restoring old roads or preparing surfaces for new construction, the Chemrock EX60 HD delivers professional-grade results in no time. The Volvo L200H represents the pinnacle of forestry equipment, designed to handle massive stacks of logs with ease. Its advanced lifting mechanism allows it to stack logs at impressive heights that regular loaders cannot reach. The increased lift radius, combined with intelligent hydraulic technology, ensures efficient movement of large wood volumes, enhancing storage organization and speeding up material processing in warehouses. The Watermaster amphibious dredger features telescopic legs for stability on any soil type. Equipped with powerful pumps and extendable buckets, it efficiently performs dredging and water body cleaning tasks. The hydraulic pump effectively collects soil, silt, or rocks and transports them to the shore, facilitating waterway maintenance and the preparation of sites for hydraulic construction projects. When John Deere teams up with FECOM attachments, the result is a powerful combination that makes clearing forests incredibly efficient. Their unmatched capability ensures that no tree remains standing in their path, turning wooded areas into cleared fields with ease. Whether you're preparing land for construction or other projects, this professional duo excels at removing all obstacles quickly and effectively. When it comes to land clearing, John Deere and FECOM prove themselves as leaders in the field, making large-scale tasks manageable. Komatsu, the reigning king of logging, features 7 wheels and an articulated frame that conquers any terrain with ease. Its advanced manipulator, equipped with a saw, grabs trees, fells them, and strips branches in one seamless motion. It then precisely sections the wood into desired lengths and neatly stacks it for transport, streamlining the entire logging process. Discover a new level of productivity with the Euro Mount front loader, which stands out with its unique design and advanced functionality. This loader features a third-circuit drive with a power of 50 loads per minute, allowing for precise and clean wood cutting with its bandsaw. It offers adjustable cutting lengths of up to 19.7 inches and can handle wood lengths up to 66.9 inches, making it ideal for processing large batches. With an impressive cutting speed of approximately 90 seconds per bundle, it can process around 10 bundles per hour. The loader boasts a loading height of 13.1 feet and weighs 1,653.5 pounds with a width of 92.5 inches. Truly impressive, isn't it? Finally, meet the Mency RP10, a brush cutter that transforms your excavator into a modern-day knight, wielding a 360-degree rotating cutting head instead of a sword. This mounted knight effortlessly slices through wild brush, removing unwanted trees and stumps as if battling a dragon. With its ability to adjust to multiple angles, the Mency RP10 is perfect for any task, whether in a dense forest or on a winding hill. Its powerful blades cut through tough vegetation and small trees with ease, making it an indispensable warrior in your construction equipment arsenal. The manual log splitter, crafted from steel scraps and a car spring, is a testament to the ingenuity of garage craftsmen, featuring a hardened steel blade and a robust spring. It makes wood splitting a satisfying experience. Simply place the log, press the lever, and watch it split effortlessly. No more tiring axe swings, just quick, precise cuts with ease. The Voden log splitter transforms weekends into firewood marathons. Splitting 18 cubic meters in just a few days? No problem. With the blade in action, the motor roaring, and logs stacking faster than they cool, it makes heavy work feel like a breeze. Never seen a 70-ton caterpillar being transported? Prepare for a spectacle. The steel giant glides down the road on a powerful platform, each maneuver executed with the precision of a chess move. The Spacer is an ideal tug for hangar operations and towing narrow-body, regional, and large business aircraft. With over 8 years of use at airports worldwide, it offers several advantages: all-electric drive, remote control, powerful electric motor, low operating expenses, and minimal maintenance. The fully automatic nose wheel chassis activation loads and unloads with a single press on the remote, requiring just one operator. As a pusher tow vehicle, the Spacer can park near gates without causing obstructions. 10,000 horsepower in a single tractor sounds like something from science fiction, but it's real. This metallic behemoth roars and shakes the ground beneath it. Its engine components are masterpieces of engineering: turbines, crankshafts, and massive tires, capable of tackling the toughest tracks. Meet the new trencher, a true champion in trenching. This machine excels in digging with incredible accuracy and speed, compatible with tractors ranging from 60 to 100 horsepower. It transforms excavation work into a seamless operation, easily passing through medium to hard soils and reaching depths of up to 5 feet. It's as impressive as a magician at a talent show. Need an assistant that can handle any task and consistently deliver outstanding results? This trencher is undoubtedly what you need.
If you are thrilled by the immense power of heavy equipment and the wonders of modern engineering, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore technological frontiers and uncover the impressive innovations shaping our world.